Hello everyone, welcome to discussion of weekly test 4. Here we will discuss all the important questions that were asked in weekly test 4, and the syllabus for the weekly test 4 was area of triangles, quadrilaterals and factorization. Okay, so let's start with the first question. The length of one of the diagonals of a square is 16 root 2 unit. Find the area and length of another diagonal. Okay, now let's take a square whose side is given as a unit. Okay, we know the sides of the square are equal. Okay, and we also calculated the value of diagonal of a square. What was that? It was a root 2. So if you compare this, diagonal is given as a root 2 and the value is 16 root 2. So cancel it out, you will get a equal to 16. Okay, so you have got the side of the square. So you know how to find the area of a square. Area of a square equal to side square, side into side. So it is 16 into 16, that is 256 square unit. Okay, now they have asked another question also, length of another diagonal. Always remember the diagonals of square are equal. That means the length of both the diagonals of the square are same. So if the length of one diagonal is given as 16 root 2 unit, then the length of other diagonal will also be equal to 16 root 2 unit only. Okay, next question. The sides of a triangle are 16 centimeter, 14 centimeter and 10 centimeter respectively. Find the area of 5 such similar triangles. So we have to find the area of a scalene triangle. What type of triangle is this? It is a scalene triangle. Why? Because we can see we have a triangle which all the three sides are of different length. So let me draw the rough sketch of triangle. This is your 16 centimeter, this is your 14 centimeter and this is your 10 centimeter. Okay. So we know how to find the area of a scalene triangle. We will use Heron's formula. Okay. For finding the Heron's formula, what is the first step? The first step was to find the semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter was denoted by S and it was sum of the length of the boundaries of the triangle divided by 2. So what is the sum of the length of the boundary? Let me add them. 16 centimeter plus 14 centimeter plus 10 centimeter divided by 2. So it is 30 plus 10, 40 by 2, that is 20 centimeter. So you have got the value of S as 20 centimeter. Now use the Heron's formula to find the area of the triangle. What is the Heron's formula here? S under root S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Now what is A, B and C? A, B and C are the length of the sides of the triangle. So A we can take it as 16 centimeter, B can be taken as 14 centimeter and C we can take it as 10 centimeter. Okay. So now let us put the value. We know what is the value of S. S is 20 centimeter. 20 minus A is our 16 again 20 minus B is our 14, 20 minus C is our 10. So we have got the value. It is 20 into, calculate each bracket, 20 minus 16, it is 4, 20 minus 14, it is 6, and 20 minus 10, it is 10. Okay. So most of the people will multiply this and will stuck into some bigger number. You don't have to do anything else. Just prime factorize each number. Okay. So now let us further prime factorize the number. 20 can be written as 2 into 2 into 5. 4 can be written as 2 into 2. 6 can be written as 2 into 3. And 10 can be written as 2 into 5. Now let us see. So we have got a pair of 2. So let me take it out, 2. Then we have got another pair, 2, 1, and 1 2 is here and 1 2 is here. So that means they are also making a pair. I am taking it out 2 again. 5 is also making pair. Only 3 is stuck inside the square root sign. So what is we have got? 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into root 3. So we will get the value as how much? 2 into 2, 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 5 ja 40. So it is 40 root 3 and centimeter square. Okay. So now we have got the value of area of one square. They have asked me to find the area of 5 such similar triangles. So if area of one triangle we have got as, area of one triangle is, we have got as 40 root 3 centimeter square. So we can calculate the area of 5 such triangles. So what is that? That is 5 into 40 root 3 centimeter square. So it is 200 root 3 centimeter square. So this is your final answer. Okay. Next question. Find the height and area of an equilateral triangle whose one of its side is given as 30 centimeter. Okay. So we know how to find the area of an equilateral triangle. And what is an equilateral triangle? An equilateral triangle is a triangle whose all 3 sides are equal. So if one side is given, it means all the 3 sides is given. So 30 centimeter, 30 centimeter, 30 centimeter. If one side is given, other two also is same. So 30 centimeter each. Okay. Now, the first thing that we are going to find the area of an equilateral triangle. So what is the area of an equilateral triangle? So area of equilateral triangle equal to root 3 by 4 a square. A is nothing but the side. Okay. So root 3 by 4. What is your A? A is your 30 centimeter. Just multiply it and by 30, that means you are taking the square of 30. So this is root 3 by 4 into 900. Okay. So if you multiply this, you will get 225 root 3 centimeter square. Okay. Now we have to find one more thing, that is the height. Okay. So for finding out the area of an height of the equilateral triangle, you can directly use the formula as h equal to root 3 by 2a. So you can find this. What is root 3 by 2 in what is a? A is our 30. So it is 2, 30, that is 15. So you will get 15 root 3 centimeter. Okay. This is your answer. But suppose I don't remember this. Then what is the other way that I can do this question? See, if you know the area of the triangle, you can use the formula half into base into height, right? Now, what is the area of triangle we have got? We have got area of triangle as 225 root 3 equal to half. What is our base? So base is this on which the triangle is standing. Now you can say base is 30 and height we don't know. Let us assume it as h. Okay. Now you cancel out 15 ja 225 and 15 2 ja. Now you can cancel 2. So you are left with h equal to 15 root 3 centimeter. So in this way also you can find the height of the equilateral triangle. Okay. So either you remember this, if you know the area, you can easily find the height of the equilateral triangle, or you can directly find the area of height of equilateral triangle by h equal to root 3 by 2a into a. Okay. Next question. Find the area of an isosceles triangle whose perimeter is given as 32 square centimeters. Sorry. So it is wrong here. You just have to find the area of an isosceles triangle whose perimeter is given as 32 centimeter. Okay. The unit of perimeter cannot be square. Okay. So it is centimeter. And its unequal side is 8 centimeter. So we know what is the meaning of an isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, we have two sides equal and the third side unequal. Right? Suppose we take this side as A. This is also A, and we will assume unequal side as B. So what is our perimeter? Our perimeter is A plus B. Right? This is our perimeter. So perimeter equal to nothing but 2A plus B. What is the perimeter given? Perimeter is given as 32 centimeter equal to 2A. What is the value of B given? Value of B is side of unequal, length of unequal side. So it is 8 centimeter. So we can calculate 2A equal to 24 centimeter, and then finally we got A equal to 12 centimeter. So now we know the value of all the three sides. A equal to 12 centimeter. This is also same. And B is given in the question only 8 centimeter. Okay. Now we know the length of all the three sides of isosceles triangle. Now we are going to use the formula to find the area of the triangle. So what is the formula for finding the area of an isosceles triangle? So write down in your copy, area of isosceles triangle, area of an isosceles triangle equal to B by 4 under root 4A square minus B square. Okay. So it is B by 4. So what is the value of B? Value of B is given as 8. So 8 by 4. 4 into, what is the value of A given? A is 12. So 12 square minus B square, that is 8 square. So we got this, we can cancel out, you will get 2 under root 4 into 12 square. What is 12 square? 12 square is 144 into 4, that is 576 minus 64. So we got this as 2 under root 512. 12. Now you can see 2 into, I can write this as 512 can be written as 2 into 256. Now do you remember whose square is 256? It is 16. So I can take it out 16 outside. So 2 into 16 and root 2 will be there. Okay. So now what is the answer? 32 root 2. Since it is a square, centimeter square. So we got the final answer as 32 root 2 centimeter square. Okay. Next question. A path of uniform width 4 meter runs around the outside of a rectangular field 200 meter by 40 meter. Find the area of the path. See, we have done the derivation of this question in our day 11. Okay. So if you have any problems related to such type of questions, how we can use directly the formula, that you can refer to the video number 11. Okay, that is day 11 of our 100 days mathematics conceptual learning challenge. Here we will use the formula to solve this question. We are not going to derive this, but I am going to just explain the rough sketch of this question. So let me tell you what is the question about. See, I have a rectangle whose length is given as 200 and breadth is given as 40. Okay, 40 meter. So this is 40 meter, this is 200 meter. Okay, now a path of uniform width 4 meter runs around the outside of a rectangle. That means you are going to build a path of 4 meter outside this. Okay, outside this rectangular path. Let me write this inside here, 40 meter. Now, the width of the path is given as 4 meter. Since it is uniform, it will be, all sides will be 4 meter only. 4 meter. Okay. This is your rectangular park. Now we have to find the area of path. That means we have to find the area of this shaded portion. Okay. So during derivation we have seen that we can easily find the area of, suppose if I name the triangle A, B, C, D, find the area of triangle ABCD, subtract the area of this path and you will get the area of this path. But I am going to use directly the formula. What is that formula? So area of path, and if it is case of outside, okay, so it is 2W L plus B plus 2W. Now what is the meaning of W? W is your width of the path. So what is W given? W is given as 4 meter. So I will use this as W as 4 meter. L is your length of the park. So what is L given? L is given as 200 meter. So I will use L equal to 200. Now B is your breadth of the path. Sorry, park. Breadth of park. And it is given as how much? It is 200 meter. So I am going to use this. Sorry, breadth is given as 40. 40. Okay. Now let me use all these data. Now 2 into 4, L is 200 plus 40 plus 2 into 4. So I have got 8, 240 and then 8. So 248. So 8 into 248, that is 1984 meter square. So this is the area of path outside this rectangular park. Okay. Now next question. A path of uniform width 3 meter runs around the inside of a circle. Okay, so I don't use the word around here, it is wrong here. Just use a path of uniform width 3 meter runs inside a rectangular park. Okay, so please correct the question also. Okay, rectangular field 280 meter by 330 meter. Find the area of the path. Okay, So now I have a rectangular park whose length is given as 280 meter and breadth is given as 33 meter. Okay, so now we know the value of L. L is equal to 280 meter and the value of B, that is the breadth of the park, it is 333 meter. Okay, now we are going to construct a uniform path inside this rectangular park. Okay, so you can see, and this is 3 meter. Okay, everywhere is 3 meter, and we have to find the area of this set in portion. So how can you find that? You can easily find the area of rectangular park, and then you will find the area of this rectangle ABCD and subtract the area of rectangle ABCD from the area of park, and you will get the answer. But I am going to use the formula directly. Okay, so area of path, and that's inside. Okay, so inside it is 2W L plus B minus 2W. Okay, if it is outside it is plus 2W, and if it is inside it is minus 2W. And what is W here? So W is given as 3 meter, that is the width of the path. So it is 2 into 3, L is given as 280, B is given as 33, and minus 2 into 3. So you can calculate 6 into 280 plus 33. So you got 213 minus 6. Sorry, 313 minus 6, that is 307. So now you got 1842 meter square as your answer. And this is your area of path. Okay, next question. Find the area of a rectangle whose diagonal is 401 centimeter and length of longer side is given as 399 centimeter. Okay, so diagonal is given, length is given. So finding the area of rectangle, we need, what is the area? Formula for finding the area of a rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So we know length, but we don't know breadth. So let me see and draw a sketch how we can find the area, breadth of the rectangle. So see, diagonal is given as how much? 401 centimeter. Longer side, this length is given as 399 centimeter. We know this is 90 degree because each angle of right angle is 90 degree. Now we have to find this breadth. Okay, but how? So now, if you remember the Pythagorean triplet, how we used to find, and that we have studied in class 8. If it is a right angle, this is your 2m, this is your m square minus 1, and this is your m square plus 1. If you remember this, you can easily calculate this. How? See, this is the diagonal, so m square plus 1 equal to 400. So if I find m square plus 1 equal to 400, m square equal to, 401, it is diagonal. This is 401. 401. So 401 minus 1. So we got m square equal to 400. So m equal to 20. Okay. Now you can easily relate this, and you can find the side of other length of the sides of other triangle. So this is your m square plus 1. This is given as 401, which is working as a diagonal of this. Okay, this is given as your m square minus 1. So what is 20 square minus 1? That is 400 minus 1, that is 399. and this is 2 into m, that is 2 into 20, that is 40. So now we have got B as 40. But if you remember all these concepts, then only you use the formula. Otherwise, you can easily use Pythagoras theorem to find the. So what is that? That means hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Use this formula and then find the value of B, and you will get B equal to 40 centimeter. Okay. So either you can find the value of B from this concept, or you can use this concept to find the value of B. Okay. So now we have got the value of L. L is our 399 centimeter, and we have got the breadth 40 centimeter. So the final answer will be 399 into 40. So you will get 15960 centimeter square. So this is your final answer. Okay. Next. The perimeter of a trapezium is 58 centimeter and sum of its non-parallel side is 20 centimeter. If its area is 152 centimeter square, then what is the distance between the parallel sides? Okay. So let me draw a trapezium. Suppose this side is parallel to this side, and I am taking the length of parallel sides as A and B, and this as C and D. So if somebody has given me the perimeter, that means they have given me, what is the perimeter for the trapezium? It is A plus B plus C plus D. Okay. Now you can see, what is the perimeter given? Perimeter is given as 58 centimeter. And the sum of its non-parallel sides. So C and D are your non-parallel sides. And what is given in the value? Value is given 20. So A plus B plus 20. So now A plus B will be equal to 58 minus 20, that is 38. And what is A plus B? They are sum of parallel sides. Sum of parallel sides. Parallel sides. Okay. Now they have asked me to find the distance between the parallel sides. That means they have asked me to find the height. Okay. And this edge. So we know the formula, area of trapezium equal to half into sum of parallel sides into distance between them, that is h. So how much is area? Area is 152 centimeter square equal to half into, what is the sum of the sides? Parallel sides, that is 38, we have calculated, and into h. Okay, so see, we can cancel it 19 times. 19 8 ja 152, so we can cancel out and you will get everything as h equal to 8 centimeter. Okay, so we have calculated the value of h, which is the distance between parallel sides. Okay, next question. Determine the length of a second diagonal if the area of the rhombus is 168 square inches and the length of one of its diagonal is 21 inches. So this is very easy question. We know what is a rhombus. Rhombus is a quadrilateral whose four sides are equal. First thing. And their diagonal may or may not be equal. So let me take one diagonal is given as D1, another is D2. Okay, length of one diagonal is D1 and length of another diagonal is D2. And we know what is the formula for finding the area of rhombus if we know the diagonals. What is that? half into product of diagonal, that is D1 into D2. So what is the area given? Area is given as 168 square inches equal to half into what is D1 given? D1 is given as 21 centimeter and D2 we don't know. Sorry, it is inches. Okay, 21 inch. So now you calculate this, you can calculate 8 times and then you will get D2 equal to 16 inch. Okay, so this is the length of the second diagonal. Okay, always remember the properties that a rhombus has all its 4 sides equal and the length of the diagonal may or may not be equal. And other properties are there, their diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree, and these concept we don't need to apply here. Okay, next. Find the area of the given polygon. Okay, see, we have got a polygon which can be divided into 2 basic figures. You can see here we have got a triangle. This is your triangle and this is your trapezium. So let me find the area of a triangle and then area of a trapezium. Okay, so what is area of triangle? So area of triangle equal to, if you know the base and height of any triangle, we can use the formula half into base into height. So half into, what is base? So base of this triangle is 25 meter, it is given here, 25 meter. Okay, into, what is height? Height is given as 8 meter. So we got the value 100 meter square. Okay, this we have got only the area of triangle. Now we have to find the area of trapezium also. So area of trapezium equal to half into sum of parallel sides, right, into distance between them, that is h. So it's half into, what is the sum of parallel sides? See, we have got the parallel sides of trapezium as 25 meter and 20 meter. Okay, this you take as a 20 meter and 20 meter. This is parallel to this. Okay, and distance between them is given as 12 centimeter. So let me write this, 25 plus 20 into 12. So now we got half into 45 into 12. Okay, now you can fill out this 6 times, 270 meter square. So we have got the area of triangle and we have got the area of trapezium. So now we can find the area of polygon. So what will be the area of polygon? Equal to, just add the area of triangle and area of trapezium and you will get the area of the polygon. Okay, so what was the area of triangle? It is 100 meter square. And what was the area of trapezium? 270 meter square. So we got it as 370 meter square as final answer, which is the area of the polygon. Okay, next question. Find the area of given quadrilateral. Okay, see, this is a quadrilateral which is neither a parallelogram nor a trapezium. Okay, that means this is not a regular quadrilateral where you can apply any formula. But you can see the whole quadrilateral is divided into 2 triangles by this diagonal. Okay, you have got one triangle here and one triangle here. If you find the area of this triangle and area of this triangle, area of triangle 2, and add them, you will get the area of the given quadrilateral. So what is that? So area of given quadrilateral can be written as equal to area of triangle 1 plus area of triangle 2. So what is the area of triangle 1? So area of triangle. So what is the formula for finding the area of triangle? If you know the length of base and height, use the formula half into base into height. So what is your base? Base is your this. That is diagonal 24. And what is height? Height is this for this triangle. Okay. So this triangle height is 13. Okay. Plus half into, I am now coming to this. Base is same for both the triangle. Okay. So it is 24 and height is 8 meter. So 8. Now, if you have got the area of triangle 1 and area of triangle 2. So what is common there? You can see half into 24 is common. So you are left with 13 plus 8. Okay. So you will get 12 into 21 and you can finally get the answer as 252 meter square or square meter. Okay. So we got the value of area of given triangle. Okay. Next question. Find the area of given polygon. So how we can find? Let me observe this polygon and you can see this polygon can be divided into two areas. What? One is your triangle and other is your square. And if you add the area of triangle and area of this square, you will get the area of the given polygon. Okay. So now, what is the area of triangle? This is half into base into height. Now, what is half into? Okay, half into base. What is base? Take the reference. Base of this triangle is 15. You can see, take the reference of the sides of the square and you can see, you will get it as a 15 meter. Okay. Now, from here to here it is 30 meter and from here to here it is 15. So what you are left with? You are left with 15 unit. Okay. Meter. So you can write it as 15 meter. So you got 15 into 15, 225 meter square divided by 2, you will get 112.5 meter square as your area of triangle. Now, what is the area of square? So area of square is nothing but side into side, or you can say side square. So you got the 15 square. That is 225 meter square. Now, just add both the area of triangle and square and you will get the area of polygon. So, area of polygon equal to 112.5 meter square plus 225 meter square. It is 337.5 meter. Okay. Now the next question is related to factorization. Okay. So how we can factorize this one? See, you can observe that this expression can be separated from the whole algebraic expression. Okay. Now, this you can write as 2a whole square minus 3b whole square and keep it in a bracket only. Okay? Now, minus 2a minus 3b. Okay. Now, what is this? So, this can be written as 2a. See, this is the, you can use the formula a square minus b square. This is a plus b and a minus b. Right? So, 2a plus 3b and 2a minus 3b. And then we have another expression here also. So, you can see minus 1 can be taken as common and you are left with 2a plus 3b. Okay. Now, you look at this and this. You can see you have 2a plus 3b common in both. So, you are left with 2a minus 3b and here minus 1. So, this is your final answer. Okay. Next question. X square plus 7x minus 98. So clearly you can see we have to solve this question by splitting the middle term. So just split this middle term in such a way that the product is minus 98 and the sum is plus 7. So if you prime factorize 98, what you will get? 49. Then again you will see it will be 7 and 7 times. So you will look at this, that if plus 14 into minus 7, it will give the product as minus 98. So I can write this expression as x square minus plus 14x minus 7x minus 98. So this is x plus 14 minus 7 and then x plus 14. So the final answer is x minus 7 and x plus 14. Okay, so we have got the factors of this polynomial. Thank you. And we have discussed all the questions in the from the beginning to the last very in detail, and even if you have any doubts, don't forget to write in the comment box. I will take all the comments seriously and I will discuss all the doubts. Whatever you ask your doubts, I will in the next class, and you can ask your doubts in the live class also. So thank you and all the best for your next weekly test. Bye.